And you know what time it is? It's time for KP's Video News. KP's Video News, y'all. KP's Video News, y'all. That's right, it's time for KP's Video News, y'all. I'm coming to you today with another tutorial here, and it's all about this automotive ambient light. You can see that box good. Automotive ambient light. It's also about, y'all know about this, you youngsters know about this right here. It's an old school golf cap all the lowriders used to ride back in the day, back in the 70s. If you had your lowrider on, you had to have your golf cap on, man. Anyway, yeah, it's ambient light. And what it looks like here. Let me show you what it looks like. It's in the box. However, you have 4 of these LED lights. Got 4 of them, and it comes with the remote where you can control the mode. This is the on button. This is the automatic button. This is your different colors that you can choose if one at a time if you want to, and you can put it on the automatic. Then it'll scroll through all the colors, and then you can also adjust the colors anywhere in between. You can get, you know, white, yellow, red, green, purple, you know, a lot of different colors on there. And if you push this button right here, the one that looks like a musical sign, a musical note, you push that, and then it will blink with the music, with your music that it hears in your car. It has a cigarette lighter adapter where you can plug it into your cigarette lighter, on and off button on top of it. And even though you got that, you still have an on and off button on the remote. Comes with its own little remote, and you got a sensitivity button here, and it has like a built-in mic where it can hear the music, and that's how it operates. So now if you don't want to plug it into your cigarette lighter, you can always measure out about halfway from the adapter to the mic. Cut the wire. It's only 2 wires inside, a hot wire and a ground wire, a red wire and a black wire. It also comes with a little alcohol prep thing here, and then it comes with these little stick-ons that you can stick on the back. You stick these on the back of your light, stick it on the back of this. It's a two-sided tape, and you can tape it to the bottom of your dash, two to the bottom of your dash, and put 2 under the back, under your seat back. So you know, or you can just put all 4 under the dash if you want to. And it also comes with these little bitty tiny little zip ties, so you can, you know, kind of keep your wires a little neat. It even comes with a little alcohol prep where you can wipe up under the dash before you put the 2-sided tape on. So hey, it's the real deal. Sounds pretty good. Automotive ambient light. And you think, well, how much did that cost? Man, I got this on Amazon for $15. I went on Amazon to actually see if I could find a I went on there to see if I could find a color bar, and they didn't have a color bar on Amazon, but they did have this. And then the color bars that I found on the internet, they was like starting at $300, man. This pretty much does the same thing. It got the lights blinking to every color, lights blinking with the music. Hey, all right, you know, hey, let me show you how it works. Let me show you how it works, man. It works just as good as a color bar. Only thing, better part is for me, it's not in a box. You can put it wherever you want inside the car. It gives you enough wire to wire it and put it anywhere you want in the car. If you can get creative, if you want to, you can put it under your under your door handles. You got a 64, 65 or whatever. You got those door handles. Put them inside the door, under your door handles. So when you know, got the lights blinking, you under the door handles blink. You know, hey, you can get creative with it. Get creative with it. So now I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out on this car here. Try it on this car. This is just for demonstration purposes. I don't know. I might put it in this car. I might just put it in this car. I got a couple of cars to choose from. I might put it in this one. Who knows? Anyway, you just got to take this part right here, plug it in. Plug it into the cigarette lighter. It's got it plugged into the cigarette lighter there. However, this car here, I'm gonna have to turn it on for it to do what it's gonna do. Make it do what it do. All right, so that got a little music there. But I'm gonna try to find some different music. Let's see. All right, there's a little Barry White. Guys want to play that old school? Okay, so it's how you turn it on. Push the button on that. There it is. It's on. You can hit it with the remote. Turn it off with the remote by pushing that button. Turn it back on with the remote. So it's going with the music right now. It's blinking with the music. There's 4 lights, but I'm showing just, I can't show you all of them. Anyway, you got this color light right here. I'm gonna push the blue light. See, there's blue. Push the green light. There your green is. Push the red light. There your red is. Then you can go to any color in between. Pushing this one. Yellow, blue, light blue, purple. Another light blue, red, back to green, blue, yellow, light blue, purple, white. So, lights are pretty intense. And when I push this button right here in the middle, it's back to blinking with the music. I'm gonna show you, see it's blinking with the music like when I turn the radio down. Turn the radio down. Picking up the sound off picking up the vibrations off the engine. Let me move that little remote. Picking up the vibrations off the engine now. I got it in auto mode now. It's another button right here, auto. That just makes it go through all the colors. When I put it back on that, it can hear me talking. Hello? Hello? Go with the music. The music. Turn the music down.
That's right, that's number 14, Baby Blues. Woo! The Love Unlimited Orchestra of Barry White from the album Satin and Soul. That was released in 1989. A little risque, but it got Baby in the title. I love you. Number 13 today on the countdown.
Old school music. Right, blinking with the music, folks. New fashion. It's the new color bars. The new color bars. The new color bar. So you also have like a little power thing right here too. You can push the button. You got a little power. Turn your power on. Hello. 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 Turn the music up.
Baby, baby, I love you, I love you, I love you, baby, I love you.
Music down. Music up. Man, this sucker's pretty cool, man. I'm enjoying it. Anyway, I'm out here. It's KP. What y'all know about this? What you youngsters know about this right here? What y'all know about this? Golf cap. What y'all know about that? Y'all know nothing about that. That's from the 70s, boy. When the real lowriders was out there on the street. Leaping Lonnie, if you out there, man, Lonnie, give me a holler, brother. I need to holler at you. Give me a call. KP, give me a call. Anyway, you gotta check this out, man. I'll put the link on the page so you guys can, you know, go ahead and order one of these. All you guys that like to work on your cars yourself, or if you want to, if you got an electrical person that does electrical, you can take it to them and they can hook it up for you. It's real easy, man. I mean, you know, 2 wires, it's only gonna be 2 wires once you splice that hot wire and a ground wire. That's gonna be it. And the rest is all in the remote. It's all in this unit right here. It's all in this unit. So, you know, hey, go ahead and do the damn thing. Hook it on up, folks. And then you can get your lights blinking, you know. Or if you want to take it and create something to put the lights inside of that looks like a color bar, the old school color bar from back in the day, hey, you can do that. You can do that. So, all right, it's KP Video News. What you know about that, boy? KP, out.